options to document our API in Laravel. So I tried out 3 packages. First one, Scribe. Looking at its documentation, it is kind of popular. I tried to install this and then run the generate command for my doctor appointment system API, which is a basic CRUD application, and this is what it gave me out of the box. One thing, the endpoints are all into one group. Now I have to group them out and start from here. Next, I tried out this package, which is slightly more popular than previous one, but when I try to install it and then generate the documentation, it gave me some error, so I couldn't experiment it out. So it is the Swagger PHP for Laravel. This package adapts this package for Laravel. You can take a look at this documentation, but I guess you have to write more than Scribe. And finally, I tried out this package called Scramble. Looking at its star, it is less popular, but it is getting more popular and getting actively developed. When I install it, I don't have to generate anything. It gave me 2 routes out of the box called /docs/APIs, and this is what it generated for me without doing any configuration. It automatically grouped all of my endpoints for booking appointment, for creating doctor profile, for login, new password, password reset link, and all other endpoints in my application. So comparing these two, I think you have to do more work here, and the UI for this Scramble is a lot better in my opinion. They have this demo booking app as well. You can take a look at their code as well here. So documentation wise and working out of the box without doing much effort, I recommend this Scramble. They have paid option as well, but you don't need to pay them if you want to save time. If you have built API using this query builder, then only you can go for their plan. There are extension as well. You can create extension for any of the use cases that doesn't satisfy out of the box. So I think talking about extensibility and other things, I recommend this package. That's all for now. Thank you.